Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift on iPad. First, locate the game in the App Store on your device. Before downloading, quickly check that your iPad meets the game's minimum system requirements for the best experience. A strong, stable internet connection is also essential to avoid any frustrating lag during your matches. Getting these basics right ensures a smooth start to your Wild Rift journey. Once you've confirmed your device is ready, proceed to download Wild Rift from the App Store. After installation, launch the game and either create a new Riot Games account or log in using your existing credentials. Don't skip the initial in-game tutorial. It's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the controls and core mechanics before diving into competitive play. To truly enhance your Wild Rift experience, take some time to optimize your settings. Adjust the graphics to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance on your specific iPad model. Experiment with customizing the control layout to perfectly match your personal playstyle. For even greater precision, you might consider connecting a compatible game controller, which many players find offers a significant advantage. As you progress, challenge yourself by practicing with a variety of champions to discover which ones best suit your strategy and preferences. Effective communication with your team is paramount for securing strategic victories, so utilize the in-game chat and pings. Also, for some great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the links in the description below. Keep practicing, stay communicative, and most importantly, have fun on the Rift.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.